What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer, and how is it that it's only been 5 seconds and I'm already being awkward? What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer, and today I am bringing you a kind of different type of video. So if you guys saw my last video, I made a lot of scrunchies. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. I attempted to make 2 million scrunchies for 2 million subscribers. However, I have a lot of fabric left over and a lot of just materials that I still need to use up because I was planning on making more scrunchies, but I just was out of energy at that point. I wanted to keep making the scrunchies, but I was like, you know what? I can make another entertaining video out of this, hopefully. Hopefully it's entertaining. Hopefully it's not cringy. We'll see what happens. I got this idea from the one and only James Charles. He did a singing my makeup tutorial. He did what is wrong with me? He did a singing my makeup routine video. I thought it was very entertaining. So today I'm going to be singing my DIY tutorial for some scrunchies. If you guys want to see the actual informative tutorial, I'll link it down below. I don't know if you can tell, it might not be that obvious It might not be that obvious to you guys, but I'm currently sick. Wait. Oh my god. So I'm dying. What was I talking about? Oh yeah. So I actually like my voice better when I'm sick. I feel like I sound cooler, like, ooh, it's kind of mysterious. She sounds kind of raspy. What's her life been like? So I asked you guys on my Instagram story to give me some songs for me to potentially sing in this video. Basically, I'm just gonna scroll through and randomly click on one, and then that song will be for that specific step in the scrunchie making process. Let's get started. All right, I'm gonna choose the first song, so I'm just gonna scroll randomly on the story and land on one. It's Señorita by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. Shawn, I'm still waiting for you to literally call me. It's been like 5 years. What's up with that? Is your connection bad? Are you with AT&T? Anyway, let's get started. Also, I want to preface this video by saying I know I'm not the best singer. This is all for funsies, so please do not take it too seriously. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Fabric, if you... Let me start that again. I got this. I'm taking a large... Nope. I don't got this. A large piece of fabric. I'm gonna make scrunchies and I freaking suck at this. I'm starting out with a large piece of fabric. If you wanna make scrunchies, you need to have it. Mine is in oh, let's make some scrunchies. Oh, let's make some scrunchies for ya. Gonna unfold it. Gonna pretend I know what I'm doing, but I don't. Just kidding, it is really easy. Shawn Mendes, text me. Somebody get my cringy self out of this world. We did it! Well, I don't know if we really did it. Let's continue. I'm kind of making these lyrics up on the spot right here, and it's very hard. So for some of these, I probably am gonna need to plan a little bit ahead because I am not a freestyle rapper. I mean, maybe you thought that. No. The next step is I'm gonna measure out how much I need. I guess we should pull up a new song too. It's Old Town Road by Lil Nas X and Billy Ray Cyrus. Gonna take my horse. Not my horse! I'm gonna take my ruler and measure this using 8 and 46. Gonna take my ruler and measure this using 8 and 46. I'm Canadian, so I use centimeters. Why does imperial exist? Metric is the fix. Gonna draw a line, vertical then wide. Need to be precise, so I'm gonna take my time. Guys, I am Lil Nas X. Goodbye, I'm quitting my DIY channel and I'm going to go start my rap career. Eminem is quaking right now, honestly. No, he's actually doing fine. He's rolling in his $10 billion. And I'm out here making scrunchies for like the 100th hour. It's really fine. I kind of did okay. Did I? Maybe I shouldn't brag about that. I feel like this video is like a musical. Like I'm living out my High School Musical dreams right now. This is crazy. What do you think about it? It is like High School Musical. Like you just sing about what you're doing. Life is great right now. All right, I'm gonna choose the next song. All right. Oh, I love this song. So the song is Speechless by Naomi Scott. I stand her sins lemonade mouth, so I was here first, guys. I recently watched Aladdin. It was so good. I cried and I would definitely recommend. Oh, I feel like, yo, this color is literally Princess Jasmine. No, it's not. Actually, is it? She's more blue, right? All right, let's do it. I will try. Am I okay? I feel like I just had a That's So Raven moment where I was like, you can see into the future. Okay. Taking a pair of scissors in my hand, gonna cut through all this fabric. Wanna make sure it is straight and not whack. If it isn't, I'm gonna scrap it. 'Cause I will cry if it does not turn out my way. So I'm gonna try my best to not let me down. I want perfection. I want nothing less than. No, I don't need a lesson. 'Cause I know that I want perfection. I kind of hated that. I'm sorry, Naomi. Guys, I'm like literally sweating right now. This is so outside my comfort zone. Okay, here's the thing. Like, I like singing when it's like by myself, which technically I am by myself, but I know that people are gonna see this. And it's like not a big deal because like, this is not a serious video, but also people are gonna judge me. I know it because it's the internet. So like, it's okay. I'm fine. I'm really fine. Anyway, I now have my fabric cut out and Naomi Scott is deeply offended by the cover that I just did. Or the parody, not even a cover. It's a parody. Okay, so I'm just gonna fold this up in half and then I'm gonna sew it. Oh my, ew. Okay, that one was like actually gross. 3 in a row, hat trick. Awesome sauce. All right, we're ready to sew. So, I love homonyms, or is it homophones? Do I also do a song for this? You guys aren't gonna be able to hear me though. Well, let's try it anyway. I'm gonna pick a song.
Hello. So, everyone in the house is currently asleep, so I have to use my ASMR voice, but I accidentally deleted the footage of me actually choosing the song, so I'm here to announce that the song that I chose, or the song that I randomly chose, you get my point. The song that I landed on was I Don't Care by Ed Sheeran and Justin Bieber. Can you even hear me with my ASMR voice? Okay, bye.
Gonna use my sewing machine. I think it's 20 years old. Yeah. But that don't really matter to me. 'Cause they're so thinking still, so I don't care. As it gets the job done. Long as this thing still can run. And it's making me feel like maybe I make some scrunchies. I can deal with the loud noise. And not like I have got a choice. I feel like every time after I finish, I'm like, wow, that happened. That's the tea. Can you even hear me? This thing is so loud. It literally sounds like a machine gun. Machine Gun Kelly. I'm not funny. All right. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, that is not straight. You know what? It's fine. If everything was straight in the world would be boring. And that's the real tea, sis. All right, I'm gonna quickly sew this other guy. I now have my 2 tubes of fabric. Now I just have to flip it inside out, which requires a safety pin. I won't be silenced. You can't keep me quiet. I know I won't go speechless. That's exactly how Naomi Scott sounds in the movie, I'm just saying. Oh, I feel like I'm so annoying in this video. If you agree with me, give this video a thumbs up. If you disagree with me, still give this video a thumbs up, because I really need some validation right now. I'm just like not feeling too confident, if I'm being honest. All right, I now have my 2 tubes flipped. Time to put the elastic in. I think this calls for the next song. Oh, okay. Okay, I think this is doable. It's Bad Guy by Billie Eilish. Billie Eilish? Billie Eilish? Billie Eilish? Frickin', I suck. Got my safety pin ready here, gonna penetrate the tip into the elastic so it is attached to the end. Gonna close up the pin and now insert the pin into the mouth. I know this doesn't sound so clean, but you know what I mean. So I'm the dumb guy, wasting all my time guy, making all these scruns guy, should probably take a run guy. Not the fast type, not so good at rap type, might slip, I'm the sad guy. That was just really bad and got really depressing at the end, but I really tried my best, guys. All right, I just tied the knot with Shawn Mendes. We're on to our last step pretty much. So I just have to fold this over itself and then sew it shut and then we'll be done. So I have my scrunchie set up to do the final stitches. So I'm gonna choose my final song. All right, give me a good one. Excuse me? Okay, so I landed on Rise Up, which if it is the one that you're talking about, it's the one by Andra Day. Andra. And it's a very hard song to sing, so I'm like, do I just skip it? Cause like I don't wanna make a fool out of myself, but also I have been making a fool out of myself this whole entire video, so like, what's one more, you know? You know what? I'm just gonna try it, see what happens. I'm broken down and tired from making all these scrunchies. So glad we're so close now. Almost made it to the end and ooh, gonna keep going. Ooh, gonna keep going. And I'll finish the job, I'll finish it up, I'll finish. I'll do it one last time again. Oh, what? I'll finish the job, I'll finish it up, I'll finish. And I'll do it one last time again. For you. I'm gonna just finish up the last couple of stitches on my scrunchie. We're finished! Hey! Oh, that was really bad aim. This is the end result. Listen, this video was literally all over the place and I don't know if it was good or not. It might be the worst video that I've ever made or the best. Oh, definitely not the best. What am I saying? Honestly, props to James though, because this is not an easy challenge and he kind of killed it. In the beginning, I was like, yeah, like I'm not the best singer, but now I'm like, yeah, I'm not a singer. In conclusion, I should never try this again. Man, this video is just so awkward that I don't even know how to end it. Well, thanks for watching anyway. If you hated it, I'm very sorry. In all honesty, I tried my best. It was a fun time, kind of. Yeah, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out of the week is right here. And I will see you guys next time with a better video. Bye!